In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign in to multiple Gmail Google accounts. To get started, open your web browser and go to Gmail so you are looking at your inbox. This works from any Google page as well, but Gmail is a good place to confirm you are signed in and everything is loading correctly. Make sure you are already logged in to at least one Google account before you try to add another one. Once you are in your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You will see your Google profile icon there. It may be a small circle with a photo, a colored circle with an initial, or a generic person icon if you have not set a picture. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, you will see your current signed-in account, and you may also see any accounts you have used on this browser before. Look for the option that says Add Account or Add Another Account, then click it. This is the option that starts a new sign-in session, so you can use more than one Google account at the same time. After you click to add an account, you will be taken to the Google sign-in page. Here, click into the field where you enter the email address or phone number for the account you want to add. Type the login identifier for your second Google account carefully. If you are on a shared or public computer, take an extra moment to confirm you are entering the correct account information. When you are ready, click the Next button. From here, Google will guide you through the remaining sign-in prompts to finish adding the account. Once the additional account is signed in, you can switch between accounts at any time by clicking your profile icon in the top right again and selecting the account you want to use. Each account can stay signed in simultaneously, and you can even keep different inboxes open in separate tabs for quick access. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.